Pratima Sharma here, and today I'm joined by Manjunath. And this conversation is important because it reflects the reality many cybersecurity professionals face, like strong experience but confused about how to approach a leadership level certification like CISSP. CISSP is not about memorizing facts or tools. It's about learning how you think like someone who owns risk, governance, and security decisions at an enterprise level. Manjunath committed to that shift in mindset, stayed consistent, and trusted the process. Rather than me explaining the journey, I want him to share his overall experience, what were the challenges, what worked, what not worked, and what future aspirants should know. So, Manjunath, welcome and congratulations on this milestone.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much. Yeah. So let me quickly give you an overview of the way I completed the CISSP from the beginning, right? So what happened, like from last, I would say almost like 2 years, I was just following up Manoj sir on the LinkedIn. I came from that this could
Okay.
be an effective training for CISSP. So I enrolled for CISSP for 100 days toolkit, but I cracked it in hardly 90 or 92 days in my first attempt. uh, like every classes that I used to attend, right, weekend classes, those were very effective. The way
Mm-hmm.
Manusha asked the questions, and they were keep on checking the candidates who is answering and who is not answering. So that was very helpful actually. So
Mm-hmm.
and also I would say that I actually gone through other materials also, but I personally felt that the materials that Manoj sharing and was discussing in the daily class, I mean weekly classes, those are very helpful. That is more than efficient, yeah, as per my understanding, for someone
Mm-hmm.
who wanted to clear CSSP in first attempt. So yeah, in 92 days it was around for me. It was very difficult kind of because I had a deadline. Okay, because what
Mm-hmm.
happened, I purchased the voucher had a deadline, so somehow I wanted to go and just give attempt. So
Mm-hmm.
that way I studied around every day around at least 4 hours every day, morning 2 hours and afternoon once I come back from office 2 to 3 hours, and weekend I studied around at least 5 hours weekend. So and the mock test which is available on the Cybernous portal, right? That those were very helpful, I would say, like because I gave around at least 10 mock tests. So that way I got a confidence and I just went to the exam and yeah.
You cracked it.
Yeah.
Okay. And what would you like to say about the mentorship of Manoj Sharma?
Have attended the demo classes of other institute also. So one or two, I would say.
Mm-hmm.
But like when I attended Manoj sir classes, because once upon a time I was also a mentor. I completed my post graduation and I was teaching in my high school. Okay, so for some reason,
Okay.
so because I can easily understand like kind of skill set Manoj sir having, and he's checking each candidate who is answering and who is not answering, especially, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that was I really liked it. So that way, because he was taking everybody with him when he was explaining the concepts. So that I personally liked it actually. So I would suggest the people, those who wanted to go for CSSP, and mainly if they are okay to enroll for any training materials, right? Like training institute. So I would personally suggest to go with Cybernose.
Yeah. Thank
Yeah.
you so much. Thank you. And how was your exam experience?
Exam was very difficult, ma'am. Literally, shivering when it went after, when it took me after 100
Mm-hmm.
questions. So it was 99 and 100. It came 101. I was so nervous that I cannot tell you. It went till 120, around 121 questions. So that system just turned off. I instructor told me to come out. So I was not very sure. I was not sure that I'm going to crack the exam. Okay, because I purchased the
Mm-hmm.
peace of mind voucher. I had one more chance
Mm-hmm.
anyway, but still, I wanted to get it done in first attempt only. So instructor took the printout of that paper. He was also not happy. I don't know. Maybe he was in a different mood. He just gave it in my hand. I saw it, the moment I saw it, it was like, congratulations. I was so happy. I couldn't even believe it. I asked him 2 times literally, is it
Yeah,
cleared? So he was like, yeah. So I just sat there and my eyes were blocked. To be very honest, I came down. It was in 14th floor of building. So till the time I came out and getting a taxi, I was literally showering. I was even not believing myself only. So yeah, that was
that
a
was
really
really
fantastic journey.
fantastic feeling.
Fantastic
Yeah.
journey. Yeah.
And thank you, Manjunath, for sharing your journey so clearly. What stands out in stories like this is not just exam success, it is the transformation in thinking, moving from task based security to decision based leadership, is what separates certifications holders from security leaders. So at Cybernous, this mindset shift is exactly what we focus on, and preparing professionals like you not to just clear CISSP, also we are into CSM, PCI-DSS, privacy and lot other certifications. So if you are watching this and wondering whether you are ready, remember this. Readiness is built through structured preparation, not guesswork. So once again, congratulations, Manjunath. Wishing you continued growth and leadership success in your career. Thank you so
Thank you
much
so much.
for joining the call.